Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you something truly amazing. I built this professional luxury travel website for my brand khandubaitour.com. In record time, look at these colors, the layout. This is just a prompt which I have made for this website from creating V4. We use Google Gemini to generate first and master prompt for the website, and we are using Kimi 2.5, which is new and which is a vibe coder, easily for non-techie person. Everyone can easily create a website, app and everything in just seconds. If you are a travel agent, a tour operator or a business owner, you know that a website is your digital storefront, but hiring a designer can cost thousands of dollars. In this 10 minutes tutorial, I am going to show you my secret weapon, AI. I used a master prompt in Kimi to generate every single word you see here before we start. If you want more tips on building a business with AI, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It really helps the channel. Now I just copy the master prompt and paste it in the Kimi 2.5, and as you can see, I have first deploy an agent and tell them that I need this kind of website, and they give me the full context like an implementation plan, which I can easily edit and add some features in this. So now I will add any function button like for WhatsApp. So I also give them that add this button in my website, which is redirect to my WhatsApp. So this is just an implementation plan and add any features in this. So it will also create another master prompt which we have added a WhatsApp feature and so on. Now I am adding some more WhatsApp chat templates, like how we can chat with any client and how can we generate a form and add it in our sheets like for a lead generation. So I also want to add some Arabic in this website, so I told them that I need an Arabic context too in my website, so it generate me the full context with email, with the message template and everything. Now our master prompt is ready, and we can copy this and paste in the Kimi website builder agent. So it's like a multi-agent, and we can create multiple icons, everything. Now the master prompt has been pasted and it started creating our website. See how the AI understand the Dubai market. It's not just saying we have tours, it's saying experience the golden dunes and luxury at your fingertips. I am going to copy this text having your brand name Khandubaitour ready is key, because it makes the AI focus on your specific identity, and the AI is start working now, and they give me that progressing part, like it's up to 10 progress tasks. So the some has been completed and some is now remaining. So like it start working and it's doing his job. So now let's go to our website builder. We start with the hero section. This is the first thing people see. From Khandubaitour, we want a high resolution video or image of a Dubai sunset or the Burj Khalifa. And look at that it's have been generated the images and everything, and it start working right now. So the headline from our AI prompt fits perfectly. It's bold and clear. Your call to action button should be a bright color. I'm making mine gold to match the Dubai luxury theme. It says book your adventure now. A tour website needs to show exactly what you offer. For Khandubaitour, we have three main pillars. Number 1, premium desert safaris. Number 2, private yacht charters. Number 3, guided city landmarks. The AI give us short punchy description for these. Notice how I am using you language. We aren't just selling a car ride in the sand, we are selling your unpredictable evening under the stars. Now the all the pages has been created and the Kimi 2.5 has been start working and doing his job, and everything works perfectly. By the way, if you are finding these helpful so far, please give this video a thumbs up, and it tells me you want more travel business content. In this travel industry, trust is everything. I added a section called Why Khandubaitour Tours. Here we mention our local expertise and 24/7 support. Now look at the SEO setting. This is how people find you on Google. I am taking the 5-star keywords. The AI gave me like Dubai luxury tours and best desert safaris and putting them into the pages titles. This ensures that when someone searches for a tour in Dubai, Khandubaitour shows on the top. Where before you publish, you must check the mobile version. Most of your customers will be browsing from their phones while they are traveling. If the text is too big or the buttons are too small, you lose money. Everything is now working, and Kimi 2.5 has been created our website. Everything for Khandubaitour looks clean. The images are fast loading and the WhatsApp chat button is easy to reach. This is the difference between a good site and a stunning site. Now everything has been done. I think the last task has been not completed and it's still on the progress, and in just a few seconds it will be completed. So I think maybe now everything has been completed and our website is now live, and that's it. In under 10 minutes we have a fully functional luxury website for Khandubaitour. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a writer, you just need the right AI prompts. So a little bit of time I have put the master prompt. As you can see, the website is looking perfect, and also the WhatsApp chat button on the side, and their services, their reviews, and everything looks perfect. This is called the perfect website, and I am amazed by the Kimi 2.5. It's look pretty good. If you have any questions about how I built this and how to use Kimi for your business, leave a comment below. I will reply to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video where I can show you how to get your first 100 customer for your new site. And if you want that how to be deployed after this, like they give us some files and we need to be live our website. So if you want a video on that, so let me know in the comment, so I will create the next video on it. So thanks for watching and go build something amazing.